ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 357। Earlier it was said we have to do siddhi of mind in two ways. What are the two? No, that is from two things. Correct. Astitvam Swarupam. Astitva Siddhi of Manaha, Swarupa Siddhi also. For that Pramanam we saw Arthapatti and Anumanam. These two Pramanams were used for what? Astitva Siddhi only. Manasaha Astitva Siddhehe Etadvayam Pramanam. Pramanadvayam. Now we are seeing what is Manaha. See, Kamadi Tika. कामादि वाक्यम अवतार्य व्याकुर्वन् मनसः स्वरूपं प्रति संशयं निरस्यति. कामादि वाक्यम अवतार्य. कामादि वाक्य इज काम संकल्प विचिकित्सा. दैट वाक्य व्याकुर्वन् मनसः स्वरूपं प्रति संशयं निरस्यति. सो मनसः स्वरूपं किम तत् संशयमपि निरस्यति. दैट डाउट आल्सो इज बीइंग एलिमिनेटेड. भाष्य अस्तित्वे सिद्धे मनसः स्वरूपार्थम इदम उच्यते. So अस्तित्व सिद्धि is done. Now for swarupa things are being clarified. मनसः स्वरूपार्थम इदम उच्यते. कामः, first is काम. कामः, this much you should have कंठस्थ. कामः संकल्प विचिकित्सा श्रद्धा श्रद्धा धृतिरधृतिर हीर धीर भीर इत्येतत् सर्वं मन एव. In Drishdrishya Viveka, this shloka is given slightly different. There is, instead of vichikitsa, sandeha is given. Kama sankalpa sandeho shraddha shraddhe dhriti tare dhir dhir bhir ityeva madin bhasayatye kadhachitihi. In this way. Those who have taught the Drishdrishya Vivek recently, I am sure they know these shlokas. Kamaha stri vyatikaraabhilashaadihi. Kama is Stri Vyatikara Abhilashadihi. Tippani number 2. Stri Atirikta Vishaya Abhilasha Grahaka Adi Shabda. Means Stri and Stri Bhinna. Both are covered in Kama. Stri Vyatikara Abhilashadihi. Sankalpaha. Sankalpaha Pratyupasthita Vishaya Vikalpanam Shukla Niladi Bhedena. Sankalpaha is pratyupasthita vishaya, that vishaya which is in front, vikalpanam. Sankalpa, this is Shukla or Nila in this way. Means this is Sankalpa is actually about the Vishaya which is Pratyupasthita according to Bhashyakar. This is Manaha. Where Sankalpa Vikalpa happens. Somebody will ask, you want another chapati? Now Sankalpa Vikalpa starts. Or the sweet. So one time you have already taken, second time you are thinking. This is Pratyupasthita Vishaya Vikalpanam, not Shukla Nila only, but Grahanam Ishtam Nava in this way. Vichikitsa means Samshaya Jnanam, doubt about any doubtful knowledge is Vichikitsa. Shraddha. Shraddha अदृष्टार्थेषु कर्मसु आस्तिक्य बुद्धिर देवतादिषु च in all of them आस्तिक्य बुद्धि in adrishta vastu like swargadi karmasu in karma vaidika karma in vaidika karma astikya buddhi and devata vaidika karma will talk about some devata also. So in all of them astikya buddhi it should be there. अदृष्ट स्वर्गादि फलकेशु 4 नंबर टिप्पणी है से. देन अश्रद्धा. अश्रद्धा तद विपरीता बुद्धि. There are so many people, those who don't have shraddha in adrishta means adrishta artha like swargadi, karma, devata or punya papa also. They don't have such shraddha. They are, that is viparita buddhi. Ashraddha it is called. Tika. अश्रद्धादिवत् अकामादिरपि विवक्षितो अत्र इति मत्वा मनोबुद्ध्योर एकत्वम उपेत्य उपसंहरति. So just like Shraddha, Ashraddha, two are given. Dhriti, Radhriti is given. Kamadi, Kama is given, so Akama. Sankalpa, Asankalpa. Vichikitsa, Avichikitsa. In this way, Buddhi also you should understand here only. Mana, Buddhi, all are included. Because in Ashraddha, the Acharya said, Tad Viparita Buddhi. So then somebody may have a prashna, mana is different, buddhi is different. So he says all are together. Mano buddhyoho ekatvam upetya. Further in Bhashya, dhrutir dharanam dehadi avasada uttambanam. Dhruti means dharanam, ability to do some dharana. Sthiryam. So I can hold on to some ideal, some vision, some goal, and then I work for it. This is dhriti. Dhritir dharanam dehadi avasada uttambanam. So that in which avasadanam means, what is avasadanam? In sader dhatoho visharanagatya shithilikaranam. So that is avasadanam here also. Dehadi avasada uttambanam. So when dehadi avasada means when the body is etc. Some goal you have. Say, today I don't want to do. आज नहीं करेंगे. This now Shubha Muhurta is only after Mahashivaratri, like that. So like this is avasadhanam, shithilikaranam or indriya manaha. So that should not be there. Dharanam dehadi avasada uttambhanam. Uttambhanam means you have to make it strong. When it is weaker, such thought, then you have to strengthen it. That is required. That is dhriti. Adhriti is tad viparyaha. Adhriti is viparita of that. Hrir lajja. Dhihi prajna. Rihi lajja. Lajja means I should feel some inferior. There is nothing explained here. But these are different thoughts in mind. These are all manovrittis. Hrihi lajja. Dhihi prajna. Bhir bhayam. Iti etad evam adikam sarvam mana eva manaso antakranasya rupani etani. All of them are manasaha means antakranasya rupani. All of these are, few of them are given, they are all expressions of antakarana. टीका हाँ नहीं भाष्य मनो अस्तित्वम प्रति अन्यच्च कारणम उच्यते. So one karanam is explained for Manasaha Swarupam. And Manasaha Astitvam we already saw earlier. Now another Manaso Astitvam Prati Anyacha Karanam. Another Karanam. Dvaita Pravritti Unmukham Mano Bhoktru Karma Vashan Na Anarthakare Nanarthakarena Anartha Karma Vashan Nanarthakarena Vivartata Iti Abhipretya अनंतर वाक्यम अवतारयति मनोस्तित्वम इति. द्वैत प्रवृत्ति उन्मुखम मनो भोक्तृ कर्म वशात नानार्थाकारेण विवर्तते. Mind goes through, vivartate means parinamate, must be parinamate. Okay, here it is not to show vivarta or anything. This is parinama only. Dvaita pravritti unmukham manaha. Mind which is geared towards some pravritti where there is dvaitam, bhoktru karma vashat, nanartha karena vivartate, nanartha akarena parinamate. Iti abhipretya anantar vakyam avatarayati manostitvam iti. Manostitvam prati anyatcha karanam uchyate. Tadeva anyat karanam sphorayati. What is that other karanam for manostitvam? Tasman mano nama asti antakaranam. Yasmat karanam is starting from yasmat. Yasmat chakshusho hi agochare. Prushtato api upasprishtah. Kenachid. What is the part after that? What is the next shabda? Kenachid hastasya ayam sparsho janorayam iti vivekena. It is kenachid hasta. So if we read kenachiddha and then tasyayam, so tasyayam is okay. But what is kenachiddha, that will not be proper. It will be asadhu. Mano astitvam. Khandakar you can put. No, Khandakara is not required. Without that also you should be able to read. So when Bhashyakar was writing, he was writing on those paper leaves. So Khandakara is only all recent edition. Khandakara, comma, they were not there before. Kenachid hastasya ayam sparsho जानोः अयं स्पर्शः इति विवेकेन प्रतिपद्यते। चक्षुषो हि अगोचरे, I have not seen a person पृष्ठतः from the back अपि उपस्पृष्टः, if I am touched, whether am I touched by the hand or by some other part of the body, because Tvagindriya will report only sparsha. Which part has touched, I will not know. Tvagindriya will say it is soft, hard, hot, cold, this much. That too, without mind, it will not be able to say. But these other things, or which person's touch it is, or what has touched, like person touching and a bee biting, that difference you will know. Mind will know what to do immediately, push that away or something. So this viveka is there because of mind. Vivekena pratipadyate. Tasmat in tika अस्ति विवेक कारणम अंतःकरणम इति संबंधः. Therefore, तस्मात्, so यस्मात् तस्मात् अस्ति विवेक कारणम मनः, कारणम अंतःकरणम, अंतःकरण मीन्स मनः इति संबंधः. चक्षुः असंप्रयोगात् तेन स्पर्श विशेषादर्शनेपि संप्रयुक्तया त्वचा विना अपि मनोविशेष दर्शनम स्यात् इति आशंक्य आह. चक्षुः असंप्रयोगात्, even if I have not used chakshurindriya to see what is behind, etc., tena sparsha vishesha adarshane api, by that sparsha vishesha has not happened, means I could not recognize exactly what it is through eyes because I have not used that sparsha vishesha. Sparsha vishesha adarshane api samprayuktya tvacha vina api, without the skin also, त्वचा विनापि मनोविशेष दर्शनम स्यात् इति आशंक्य. Somebody will say त्वचा विनापि मनोविशेष दर्शन. मनोविशेष दर्शनम means त्वचा will not tell you details. त्वचा will tell you only sparsha in this way. In bhashya, यदि विवेक कृन मनो नाम नास्ति तर्हि त्वं मात्रेण कुतो विवेक प्रतिपत्ति ही स्यात्. If mind was not there, viveka kran manaha, mind which does viveka, if that was not there, nama nasti, tarhi twang matrena kuto viveka pratipatti syat, by only skin how you can do viveka. टीका त्वं मात्रस्य स्पर्श मात्र ग्राहित्वेन विवेचकत्व अयोगात् इत्यर्थः. त्वं मात्र इज ओनली स्पर्शग्राही, त्वं मात्रस्य स्पर्श मात्र ग्राहित्वेन. So viveka is not the function of any bahya indriya. None of the bahya indriya will do that viveka. It only antakarana will do that. विवेचके कारणांतरे सति अपि कुतो मनः सिद्धिस् तत्र आह. विवेचके कारणांतरे सति अपि, vivechaka, somebody say if there is some other vivechaka, then how will you do manaha siddhi? Vivechake karanantare sati api, if another vivechaka is there, then how will you do mana siddhi? Tatraha Yat tad viveka pratipatti karanam tan mana. This viveka is happening only because of mana. So there is no other vivechaka, the one who does viveka. Mind alone will do this. Vrittang kirtayati. Asti tavan manaha swarupam cha tasya adhigatam. Okay, accepted that there is mind and it has the swarupam of this type is also known. What does Vedanti have to understand here? These are all in mind. Kama, Sankalpa, Vichikitsa, etc. Means this is not Atma. But unless and until I recognize that this mind, if it is not purified, in which Shraddha is required, Ashraddha is not required. Kamana is not required, Akamana is required. In this way, I have to do Viveka in this mind. Then that mind will become Mana eva manushyanam karanam bandha mokshayoho. Bandhaya vishayasaktam muktam nirvishayam smritam. Or muktam nirvishayai smritam. So that mind in which all these other sankalpas are not there, ashraddha is not there, adhriti is not there, and for good thing there is shraddha, for means for Brahma, for Vedanta Shastra there is shraddha, adhriti. That mind will become mitra, it is instrument for your sadhya. This is what I should understand. Then after enough studies, etc., then I should understand, now I can go beyond this mind. Manaso hyamani bhave dvaitam naivo palapyate. Then there is no dvaitam. Dvaitam in the form of Atma and Mana. Until that point, this external dvaitam, so we don't have to even worry about. This is the mukhya dvaitam. Atma, ahankara. Ahankara you call or manaha. This is the dvaitam. Constantly, I am moving between aham pada vachyartha, aham pada lakshyartha. This dvaitam has to be eliminated, avoided, or to be worked on. How? That vachyartha is mithya, lakshyartha is satya. This is the only way you will have to deal with the dvaitam. You can't get rid of this. Its mithya karanam is what is required. That topic is not the Prakrita topic, it is elsewhere, but I should keep in mind related to mind. Asti tavan manah swarupam cha tasya adhigatam. Uttar grantham avatarayitum bhumikam karoti. Now Uttar grantha. So for its avataranam, bhumika is being created. Trini annani iha phalabhutani. कर्मणां मनो वाक् प्राणाख्यानि अध्यात्म अधिभूतम अधिदैवंच अध्यात्मम अधिभूतम अधिदैवंच व्याचिख्यासितानि. त्रीणि अन्नानि, थ्री अन्नम, त्रीणि अन्नानि इह फलभूतानि. These are the three phalarupa anna. These are sadhya. First four were sadhana. This is how it was explained earlier. Phalabhutani, karmanam, manovak pranakhyani. Karmanam phalabhutani, manovak pranakhyani. So these, they are also created. This is our karma phala. What kind of mind I have, what kind of vani I have, and what kind of prana I have. So everything is explained here. Some people, they have to deal with their mind so much. It's very problematic mind. Some people, no problem with mind. Some people, problematic tongue. It doesn't know where to speak what, and so they have to deal with those problems. Some people, they have a lot of control over Vani. And then prana, health related. And some people may have all the three mano, vak, prana problems. Some people may have all good. So this is all our karma phala only. This is also annam. Adhyatmam, so mano, vak, prana, they are adhyatma. Adhibhuta, like payaha and sadharanam annam, they are adhibhuta. And adhidaivam, hutam prahutam, darsha purnamasa. So vyachikhyaasitani. Vyachikhyaasitani. Vyachikhyaasitani means they have to be explained. Means that adhyatma adhibhuta part will be explained. They are vyakhyana yogya. Vyachikhyaasitani means they are vyakhyana yogya. Of them, see tika, in bhashya. Tatra adhyatmikanam vang manah prananam mano vyakhyatam. Of the adhyatmika, vak is already vyakhyanam, I mean, manaha vyakhya is done of the vang mana prana. Tika. Evam bhumikam arachayya adhyatmika vak व्याख्यानार्थम यह कश्च इत्यादि वाक्यमादाय व्याकरोति. एवं भूमिका आरचय्य. आरचय्य रच धातु आ उपसर्ग पूर्वक ल्यप प्रत्यांत रूप. Having created the bhumika means introduction to this, आध्यात्मिक वाक व्याख्यानार्थम. नाउ आध्यात्मिक वाक व्याख्यानार्थम यह कश्च इत्यादि वाक्यम आदाय, हैविंग टेकन द नेक्स्ट वाक्य, व्याकरोति, ही एक्सप्लेन्स. अथ अथ इदानीं वाग वक्तव्या इति आरंभः. नाउ मंत्र सेज वी शुड टॉक अबाउट वाग. वाग शुड बी डिस्कस्ड. यह कश्च लोके शब्दो ध्वनिस्ताल्वादि व्यंग्यः प्राणिभिर्वर्णादि लक्षण इतरो वा वादित्र मेघादि निमित्तः सर्वो ध्वनिर् वागेव सा. सर्वो ध्वनि, मुख्य वाक्य दिस मच, सर्वो ध्वनि ही वागेव सा. ऑल ध्वनि, ऑल साउंड्स, they are vak. What are they? So one is shabdo dhvani, loke shabdo dhvani. What kind? Talwadi. What are the things? Talwadi means actually you should start from kantha. Here they have given talu. Acha, kantha is not included in. Vak, kantha is also there in. All should be included here. All the varnas. Talwadi, what is there in talu? Rutu rashanam talu. Then murdha.
ऋतुरषाणां मूर्धा स्वामीजी, ऋतुयशाणां तालु.
Ichu yashanam talu. Rutu rashanam murdha. Danta. Ritu rasanam danta. Kantha.
अकुह विसर्जनीयानां.
Kantha, talu, murdha, danta, oshta.
ओष्ठौ उपद्मानीयः.
Upadmaniya. Oshta. Oshtau. But one is missing.
नासिका.
What is the sutra for Nasika? Yamagananam
यमगणनानां नासिका
तालवादी व्यंग्य है. व्यंग्य means abhivyंजकत्वम. Talwadi, they become the manifester of the Shabda Dhvani. Pranibhihi, Varnadi Lakshana. By all beings, Manushya has its way, other animals also do. Varnadi Lakshana. Itarova, Vaditra Meghadi Nimitta. And some instruments, clouds, thunder, all of them is Vak. Sarvo Dhvani Vagevasa. टीका. शब्द पर्यायो ध्वनिर द्विविधो वर्णात्मको अवर्णात्मकश्च. वर्णात्मक इज ऑल दिस तालवादी व्यंग्य. अवर्णात्मक वादित्र मेघादि. तत्र आद्यो व्यवहर्तुभिस् तालवादी स्थान व्यंग्यो द्वितीयो मेघादि कृतः. वन इज तालवादी स्थान व्यंग्य, द्वितीय इज मेघादि कृतः. Two types. They all are called Vak. Vak means Shabda. Sa sarvopi prakrita Vag eva ityartha. All of that is Vag alone. Prakrita, whose prakaranam is going on. Prakashaka matram Vag iti uktva tatra pramanam aha. Any prakashaka is Vag. Vag iti uktva tatra pramanam aha. Idam tavad. Idam tavad vachah swarupam uktam. In this way, vachah swarupam is said. So, vachah astitva, there was no question. It is accepted, and the swarupam is also given. Tasmad in Tika. Abhidheya nirnayakatvat na asau apalapa arha iti shesha. Apalapa arha iti shesha. Abhidheya nirnayakatvat. So what is the role of Vagindriya? Abhidheya nirnayakatvam. Nirnaya means nishchaya. Abhidheya nirnayakatvat. Asau Vak na apalapa arha. You cannot do apalapa, means you cannot eliminate. इसका निषेध नहीं कर सकते. You cannot negate it. You cannot reject it. You have to accept. In Bhashya, अथ तस्याः कार्यम उच्यते. Swarupam is done. Now karyam. Esha vag hi yasmat antam abhidheya avasanam abhidheya nirnayam ayatta anugata. Esha vag hi yasmad antam abhidheya avasanam abhidheya nirnayam ayatta anugata. So this Vagindriya, its activity is up to abhidheya. Abhidheya paryavasanam. Abhidheya avasanam means abhidheya paryavasanam. Abhidheya nirnaya. In other words, Vak is abhidhanam. That Vag Indriya will be used to reveal abhidheya. Ghataha. Vag Indriya will, because earlier he said, what is Vak? Talwadi Vyangyaha, Dhvani. It is one type of Dhvani. So Ghataha, this is Dhvani. That Dhvani's Paryavasanam will be in Artha. Ghata Shabdasya ko Artha. That artha is what prakashanam is the job of Vagindriya. Abhidheya nirnaya. Nirnaya means when I say ghataha, you are looking for ghataha. You are not looking for pataha. Because Vagindriya's nirnaya is of ghataha at that time. This is the objective. Abhidheya nirnayam ayatta anugata. टीका वाचो अपि प्रकाश्यत्वात् कथम प्रकाशक मात्रम वाक् इति उक्तम इत्याशंकाः। वाचो अपि प्रकाश्यत्वात्, वाग इंद्रिय इज आल्सो प्रकाश्य, कथम प्रकाशक मात्रम, व्हाई डू यू से इट इज ओनली प्रकाशक, इट इज आल्सो बीइंग रिवील्ड बाय समथिंग। एषा पुनः स्वयं न अभिधेयवत् प्रकाश्य, अभिधेय प्रकाशिका एव प्रकाशात्मकत्वात् प्रदीपादिवत्। वागींद्रिय न अभिधेयवत् प्रकाश्य, वागींद्रिय, like how ghata prakashanam happens or bahya vishaya prakashanam happens, its own prakashanam does not happen that way. Means Vani will not do prakashanam of Vani. Vani will do prakashanam of its drishya. Vani will be prakashita by its drashta. Like manovritti. Manovritti will know. Like for example, on tongue something happens sometimes, or you bite, then Vagindriya cannot know, because Vagindriya is drishya, its drashta will know. Oh, this has happened in this way. Or Shabda, if you say, Shabda, if you take Vag as Shabda, Shabda will not do prakashanam of Shabda. That is what is given here. Swayam na abhideyavat prakashya, abhideya prakashika eva. Vag Indriya is, or Vak Shabda is abhideya prakashika eva. Why? Prakashatmakatvat pradipadivat. Because it itself is prakashatmaka. It itself is prakashatmaka means its job is to reveal things. So it is not revealed by itself in this way. Na punaha swayam na avidheyavat prakashya. Means just as a lamp, it illumines itself, it does not need another lamp to illumine. Like that, Shabda does prakashanam of other things. It does not need anything else to do its prakashanam. It does prakashanam itself. Not like abhideya. Swayam na abhideyavat prakashya. So Pradipa, for example, Pradipa is self-luminous. It does not need another Pradipa. Like that, here also, Vak means Shabda does not need another Shabda for its Prakashana. It is Prakashatmaka by itself. Drashtantam samarthayate. Now this Drashtanta is doing samarthana. Nahi pradipadi prakashah prakashantarena prakashyate. Tadvad vak prakashika eva swayam. Vak prakashika eva swayam na prakashya iti anavastham shruti pariharati. Esha hi na iti na prakashya prakashakatvam eva vachaha karyam ityartha. Just as a Pradipa, if you say this is Pradipa, to know I need another Pradipa. Then to know this Pradipa, another Pradipa, there will be Anavastha. You say no, this Pradipa knows itself by itself. It is Swayam Prakasha. Like that here also, nahi Pradipadi Prakashaha Prakashantarena Prakashyate. Tadvat Vak Prakashika eva Swayam na Prakashya. और प्रकाशिका एवं स्वयं न प्रकाश्य. It is स्वयं प्रकाशिका, not prakashya. iti anavastham shruti hi pariharati. So Shruti is saying, otherwise there will be anavastha. Esha hi na, esha hi na iti, only this much is given in the mantra. If you see the mantra, esha hi na. So you should understand, न प्रकाश, ऐसा ही न प्रकाश्य, प्रकाशकत्वम एव वाचः कार्यम. टीका, प्रकाशांतरेण मीन्स सजातीयेन इति शेषः. प्रकाशिका अपि वाक् प्रकाश्या चेत् तत्रापि प्रकाशकांतरम एष्टव्यम इति अनवस्था स्यात्. इफ यू से वाक् इज प्रकाश्या, प्रकाशिका it is, but prakashya also, then tatrapi prakashakantaram, then another prakashaka is needed, then another prakashaka is needed. Prakashakantaram eshtavyam iti anavastha syat. Tan nirasartham esha hi neti shruti na iti. Neti means not neti neti. This na iti shruti prakashaka matram vak iti. This shruti says vak is prakashaka matram. Swapara nirvahakastu shabdaha. Shabda is swapara nirvahakaha. I will explain that in the following session. Next sentence, let's finish. Tasmat prakashakatvam karyam yatra drishyate tatra vachah swarupam anugatam eva ityah. Tasmat prakashakatvam karyam yatra drishyate tatra vachah swarupam anugatam. So, vak swarupam is already there, where prakashakatvam karyam is seen. Where drishtanta is given, yatra drishyate means suryadav. So, it is all swayam prakasha drishtanta. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Vadarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्ति भेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.